Today is the day that we are going to take a look at Baba. Alibaba is a company that has been performing really well for the last 3 months. Over a 70% gain in 3 months on such a big stock with that big of a market cap is crazy. In today's video, I want to discuss opportunities. Where are the opportunities? Can we go to all-time high? Is Baba stock a buy right now? Is Baba stock still a buy? Or is Baba stock even a sell right now? We're all going to go into that in this video by using technical analysis. At the end of the video, I am also going to sketch some price discovery targets because I personally think Baba has the potential to move towards all-time high. As long as we can keep this trend this strong, we are going to. Let's dive deeper into the technical analysis. If we take a look at the weekly time frame on this local picture, what has been happening here? Well, if you're watching more of my videos, you can already see green arrows. Green arrows represent market makers possibly stepping into the market to push price up. And that is exactly what happened here because you can see the expansion that happened afterwards. If you are curious about this 3-tap concept, then make sure to subscribe to the channel and like the video because I will use more of this. So now we're always starting by drawing in our market structure. This brought you to a high and a new lower low. Your trend was bearish unless you can break this high. You can already see we have done so. We have grabbed enough liquidity with this low that we have made a higher low and we continued with higher highs. Our trend on the higher time frame has changed and we can now only expect new higher highs and new higher lows. If we zoom in at this local picture, we have a high, a higher low, a new higher high, a higher low, and a new higher high. This will also mean if we manage to hold this low on $95 here, our trend is up and we can only expect nothing less than upside. That doesn't mean we can correct all the way towards here, but our technical analysis, our market structure trend is still intact and the market makers that have decided to push price up here could be ready to protect their orders if price comes back there. This is your last pullback that sellers try to step in and push the price down, but clearly buyers stepped in and caused us to gain a significant level. So our goal is complete, we've made a higher high and we can expect nothing less than a higher low for another higher high. It can be either here, it can happen when we touch the $150 mark, this support resistance level. It will be up for the local picture to tell us if we can keep moving up. So is Baba stock a buy right now? I would say no, and that is because we are in the middle of this expansion and I don't like to FOMO buy into my projects. But what I want to wait for is price to pull back a bit. I want to see whales, market makers step into the market again, breaking structure, and then we can continue our trend higher. This is the time when I will be buying Baba. If price action doesn't give us that scenario, then it does not and we do not have a trade. For now, I do not have to make it any more difficult than it is. We can just keep trading up until it's proven otherwise. So now I want to discuss some possible targets and also your price discovery targets if Alibaba can reach all-time highs. So as our first targets, I would personally take profit between 180 and 200 because we can expect some resistance here. Price action has previously shown that this is a significant level, so I expect us to top a little bit here, make that correction for that higher low, and then continue that trend up. After this level, I'm expecting nothing else than price action moving towards all-time highs. And I have 3 targets set at the all-time highs. That is going to be 390, 427, and $480. Those would be my price discovery targets on Alibaba. So right now we have 3 long scenarios and I always draw in a bearish scenario as well. But looking at Baba, this coin might go parabolic as well because it looks like that. It has been pumping like crazy. It's up until proven otherwise. So why would I try to short on this stock? This was the technical analysis on Baba. If you're curious about more trading opportunities for either crypto or other stocks, then make sure to join the Discord in the description. And I'll see you there. Cage is out.